Alright, what's going on YouTube? It is Alex from Techrefik back again with another video. It's been a long time, but right in front of us we have the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So if you guys have been following tech on social media lately, you might have seen this thing that just came out, and I was like, hey, why not pick one up? I got mine in the porcelain color and the 256GB version. Now, right off the bat, even on the box, you can see that it has that nice little porcelain shade going on. And you can see that Google is kind of really imitating iPhone and Apple with that squared off boxy look design. So I can't wait to check it out, see how it looks like in person, but here you go. You can see that it is the 6.8-inch version, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. 256GB with the porcelain finish. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into this video and unbox this beauty. And so right here on the back you have these two little pull down tabs. We're just gonna pull the right one off just like so. Set that aside, and the one here on the left, they're stuck on there pretty good, and here you go. So there it is. Not sure how you exactly take it out of the packaging. So it seems like there's a wrapper around it and then you just pull it off. That's what the stickers hold it in place for. And this is the Pixel 9 Pro XL itself. So we are going to open it up, and are we greeted with the phone at the top? Yes, we are. So there is the Pixel 9 Pro XL in the beautiful porcelain color. Let me grab this pull tab right over here and take it out. Wow. This device feels like an iPhone, looks like an iPhone, but you do know it's a Google Pixel because of that camera bump. Now, some of you guys might be wondering, well, what other colors does the Pixel 9 Pro XL come in? It also comes in rose quartz, hazel, and obsidian. But this is the marketed color, so I was like, hey, why not? Let's get it. So let me pull this off. It's always going to be satisfying. Let's see over here. Ooh. Oh, I could just slide it out, I guess. There you go. So we're not going to get that satisfying ASMR since we're going to slide it out, and wow, it looks exactly the front. Like, if you look at it from the front, guys, you're going to think it's an iPhone, straight up. But anyways, what else do we get inside the box? We have a USB Type-C to C cable. It is not braided, but at least we do get that cable. Let's get that focus right in there. As you guys can see, USB Type-C to C, a nice white cable, and nothing else. So we're just gonna set all of that aside and get to the goodie of the video itself, which is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So straight out of the box, as I mentioned, it looks like an iPhone. We're just gonna power it up right there. It vibrates and we get the Google Pixel 9 startup. This is what it looks like. You got the logo, and see right over there you have that new AI feature that Google has been talking about. So we just saw their logo pop up for the new Gemini, I believe it's called, AI. And all around the phone you have that really nice metallic looking finish. You have the volume down and volume up on the right side, along with the power button, some antenna bands. This phone obviously does support 5G. At the top you have some more bands, and at the bottom we have that USB Type-C charging. You have your SIM card right over here, and what looks like to be a speaker or microphone. So this is what it looks like on the setup page right over here. We're just gonna click English and welcome to Pixel. So we're just going to run through the setup process, and I'll catch you guys once the phone is fully set up. And here we are, guys, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. We are done setting it up. First impressions, I really like the two-tone design of the porcelain color. It really looks sleek and minimal. This nice matte finish at the back. It feels very polished, so does the whole frame as well as the camera frame. So honestly, really nice design. It is pretty cool that you have that on-screen fingerprint reader, as you guys can see, as well as that Face ID if I could get my face in frame right over there, but you can see that unlock just like so. So there's so many features. I'm an Apple fanboy, so coming to Pixel honestly feels kind of weird, but this is what it looks like. 120 Hz good technology, so I won't complain. The main camera is a 50 megapixel camera. You do also have a 48 megapixel telephoto camera, a 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 42 megapixel front camera. So I really can't wait to test all of these out in the real world. I will have a day in my life dropping hopefully pretty soon and testing out all of the new features. You do also have that new Gemini AI, so we're gonna see what that's all about. And another thing, one that you don't see on many smartphones nowadays, especially the flagship ones, is 8K video. So I can't wait to check this one out. That'll be pretty cool, seeing how it performs, the color, the lighting, the stabilization, and so forth. So this has been it from Alex at Techrific. 2 last fun facts about this phone. It has the Google Tensor G4 chip and 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is honestly insane. I mean, the base MacBook Air this year does not even have 16 gigabytes of RAM. It has half of that. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is honestly crazy to know that a phone has double of what a flagship MacBook has nowadays of RAM. The battery lasts over 24 hours on this thing, and it could last, based on what Google says, up to 100 hours if you turn on that extreme battery saver. And it could charge up to 70% in just about 30 minutes. So lots of crazy claims that Google is giving, but we're really gonna see if this phone is able to hold up to its hype. Now, I do also have a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL official fitted hard shell case that I will be checking out very soon in this video right up here. So if you guys would like to see the unboxing and first impressions of this case over here, that is made for Google for this phone, make sure to go check it out. Anyways, stay techie, and until next time, subscribe.